Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't, because this is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story, and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spiritual animals, show me the codes what I need to see. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the codes what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. If it is not your story and your energy, just leave it, okay? So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Five of Spades, which is the Five of Wands. This is a fire sign energy. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. Could also be a group of 5 people. Please pay attention with the number 5. There could be a significant meaning for you in this reading. You could be born on the 5th of the month. It could also be that you are dealing with this person or group of people who are competing on your attention. Could also be that this person or group of people are jealous on you because you have lots of attention from other people. They are the people who believes that you are better than them because they are competing on you. This person tried, this group of people could be composed of 5 people. They tried to engage you in drama and conflict. Could also be in the past, or they are planning to engage you in drama and conflict for whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. It could also be that this is related to your work. There are lots of people who are competing on you. Others of these people, guys, they are jealous. They want what you have, and that's why they are competing on you. You are not competing on them. You knew your worth. But there are people who are in competition. Could be that they are competing your attention, or they want you to compete with them. This is the past situation. Could be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a group of 5 people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see your present energy is the Ace of Swords. I told you, you are no longer competing. You are never competing with this person in your whole life because you knew your worth. The Ace of Swords, this is your breakthrough, your break free, your success and victory. Because you can create anything. You have a mental clarity. You are not confused. That's why you are not in competition with this person or group of people. But in their minds, in their fantasy, you are the truth. You are their rivals. They are competing on you. In their fantasy, you are their competitors. But no, you have here, you look breakthrough and break free. Because you have a mental clarity, you knew the truth. And that's why you are not competing with this person or group of people. Could also be that they are competing on your attention. I don't know who is this person or group of people, because you have her an assured success and victory. This could be related to your ideas. Could also be that you are going to receive a new contract for some of you, or somebody who wants to offer you with these new ideas. Could also be a new project, a new perspective or a new ideas. Or you are going to sign a new contract because somebody here wants to offer you with this project. Others of you, this is your breakthrough and your break free. Congratulations. That's why you are not competing with this person or group of people in the past. You knew your worth, and that's why you have here success and victory. You can create anything because you have a mental clarity. You are not confused. Could also be that you are going to receive a message from this person or group of people in the past. Either a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also that this is a new person, and this person is competing on your attention. Could also that this person is your admirer. I don't know. This person is competing on your attention and viewed you that there are lots of people who are competing on your attention. Either you are dealing with a fire sign or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They have seen that you have success and victory. And that's why they believe that they have lots of competitors, especially in your attention, with your attention. Take only what fits in your story. And let me see. The future card is the Moon. Oh my gosh. For some of you guys, I feel like you are dealing with a person who has a secret. Could be a Pisces or a Cancer. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Somebody here is keeping secrets, and it could also that there could be an exposure of the secrets of anything that was hidden in the dark, because truth comes to light. I don't know what this is all about. Pay attention with your dreams and your intuition. Pay attention also to your synchronicities and your dreams, because maybe you are going to see this person in your dream. There is a hidden secret with this person. Either Cancer, Pisces, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be a group of 5 people. Could also be that this is a new person who is having a secret. Could also be that they are going to reveal you their feelings, about their feelings towards on you. Or there could be an exposure of the secret of this person. For some of you guys, since you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac, maybe you already knew the secret of this person. Or this person believed that you already knew their secrets because they perceive you as an intuitive person. I don't know what this is all about. The universe advises you to listen to your intuition and to pay attention to your dreams. The outcome of this reading is the 8 of Swords. I told you, somebody here is trapped. Somebody here is feeling captive. Somebody here is feeling isolated. I don't know who is this person. Could also that this person is no longer free. That's why they are feeling trapped. Or it could also be that this person is feeling victimized by you. I don't know what this is all about. Or it could also be that this person wants to confuse you, to isolate you, wants to trap you. This could be related to this secret. They doesn't want you to know about their secret because they wants to trap you. Others of you guys, the universe advises you to liberate your thoughts if this is your energy. Could also be that you are feeling trapped with this person because of what they have done to you in the past. Could be a group of 8 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8. You could be born on the 8th of the month. This could also your house, because Scorpio's house is number 8. This could be related to your transformation and rebirth. Somebody here doesn't want you to transform. Somebody here wants you to stuck in this situation. Somebody wants to trap you because this person doesn't want you to have a new beginning. Could also be a group of people composed of 8 or composed of 5. They have seen that you have victory and success, and they doesn't want you to have a new beginnings. They doesn't want you to transform because they knew that you are going to leave them behind. I don't know why. If you have nothing to do with this person, if you are innocent or you have nothing to do at all, it's because of jealousy and envy. Yeah, look, they are competing on you in the past. They viewed you as their rebels. I don't know who is this person in your life. A fire sign come out here, an air sign, also Pisces, Cancer, and again an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. For some of these people, guys, I feel like they are in jail physically, or they are facing the spiritual jail. They have a mental entrapment because of what they have done to you in the past. Since this is the outcome, because in the past they played mind games on you, they involved you to a competition, a rivalry, because they viewed you that you are the treat of their, I don't know, of their work, of their lives, of their legacy, of their money, and that's why they tried to trap you in the past, and now it ends up with their own entrapment, because this is the outcome. For some of these people, guys, they are facing the bad karma for what they have done to you. They are the one who is trapped. They tried to isolate and trap you, and it ended up with their own entrapment and isolation. Because for most of you, you are innocent. All because of jealousy and envy. You look, the Five of Wands. They want you to be always in competition with them. You are not competing with them. They couldn't match your energy. They couldn't match your passion. And that's why they wants to trap you. They wants to isolate you. Because they doesn't want you to move farther. You could be born on 1985. Or for some of you guys, you could be 58 years old. I don't know what this is all about. Pay attention with the number 5 or the number 8. The number 8 is normally, this is your 8th house. The transformation and rebirth. You already transformed. And they are feeling victimized by you. Because they are the one who victimize you. By putting you in a competition, drama, conflict. They want to trap you. Especially with your mind. They are playing mind games on you. Because they doesn't want you to shine. Because of jealousy and envy. And now they are the one who are trapped. Who are feeling isolated. Because you cut off the ties of this person or group of people. And you are no longer dealing with them anymore. Now they are confused. They are feeling victimized by you. When in fact, they are the one who victimized you in the past. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Cancer and Pisces are involved here. Could also be a collaboration of 5 people and 8 people. Equals 13. You could be born on the 13th of the month. You could be 31 years old. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Of course, 13 is your major arcana, death. This is clarified also as the 8. The 8 of Swords. The 8th house is your transformation and rebirth. They couldn't trap you anymore. Because for some of you guys, you already spread your wings. It's over. And that's why they are trapped. They are feeling isolated. They are feeling victimized. Because this is your season to transform, to spread your wings. Others of you already transformed. They couldn't hold you back. You look, in the past, they engaged in a competition and drama. You are no longer engaging with them anymore. And now they are the one who is trapped. Because you have had victory and success. You look, they are keeping secrets on you. They are doing shady behind the scenes in the past. And there could be an exposure, a major exposure of everything what they have done behind the scenes. This is an illumination. The energy involved in this reading are an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, and or fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 5 of... Sorry, guys. Why the 5 of Wands? Oh my gosh. Why these people is so intriguing? Why always trying to trap you over and over and over again? They want you to stay like in isolation, and they want you to fight, to compete with them. Why you compete with them? You knew your worth. You are not competing. They couldn't match your energy. They couldn't match your passion. Because of jealousy and envy. Let me see why the 5 of Wands in this reading. Oh my gosh. It is clarified as an apology, forgiveness. They want to apologize with you for what they have done to you in the past, for putting you in a competition, for creating drama and conflict in your life. Somebody here wants to apologize, wants to return, and it's up to you if you're going to accept their apology. Forgiveness is important here, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because of your peace of mind and your blessings will unblock. Because if you are still in this energy of this person or group of people, the 8 of Swords, you are advised to liberate your thoughts. You are not in this energy. They are the one who sent you this entrapment, this negative energy. For some of you, you said, go back to sender, because this is 8 of Swords. Number 8 is just like what goes around comes around. And now they are the one who is trapped, who is feeling stuck and isolated. Because you said, go back to sender. The negative energy descent on you. Now they wants to apologize. To reconcile, it's up to you, because this is your story. I don't know what happened with you, between you and this person or group of people. Clarify me, Father, why the 5 of Wands in this reading. Please tell me more about the 5 of Wands, her, please. Oh my gosh. That is clarified as hurt fog. I told you they messed you up in the past, and now they want to return to apologize because they involve you in drama, competition, because of jealousy and envy. I told you. Now they want to apologize because they are feeling victimized by you. They are feeling trapped. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling isolated because of what they have done to you. They are the one who initiate everything. And now they feel like you victimized them. These are the kind of people who are narcissists, who are manipulative. They will twist the story very fast. Be very careful, be very strategic, especially if you are going to communicate with this person or group of people. Composed of 8 or 5. I don't know who are they. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Clarify me, Father, why the Ace of Swords in this reading. It is clarified as Pluto. I told you, this is your energy. You have success and victory because despite of what they have done to you, despite of the drama, the conflict, to lower your vibes, you still have a mental clarity to do your work. And that's why you have success and victory. You have a clear thinking. Your mind is as clear as a crystal. And now, they want to apologize with you because they couldn't believe that they tried to isolate you, to trap you, to block your third eye chakra, engage you in a competition, drama, conflict. But you still have a mental clarity and you have success. You win in front of your enemies, in front of your haters. As the saying goes on, if you cannot bet them, join them. And these are this person, a group of people doing now. You look. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Cancer, Pisces is involved here as well because they mess you up in the past. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be a fellow Scorpio is involved here because this is your energy. Could also be that there is a fellow Scorpio here involved in this drama, this conflict. Yeah, look. If you are the Scorpio on the right path, this is your reading. If you are innocent, if you have nothing to do with this person or group of people, this is your reading. I feel like there is a fellow Scorpio involved here who mess you up. Yeah, look. Could be a collaboration of this group of 5 people and 8 people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have a powerful beginnings because you transform. And this person, a group of people, couldn't hold you back. And now they are receiving their karma. Karma has no menu. They gotta serve what they deserve. And that's what's happened in this reading. With this person, a group of people who are always jealous and envy on you, who are not attending their own lives, instead of focusing themselves, they are focusing on you. They thought that they can trap you. You look, but it ended up with their own entrapment, because the 8 of Swords, this is your house, number 8, your transformation. Number 8 is also like what goes around comes around. You return the negative energy, their course, and now they are the one who is trapped. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father. Why the Ace of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more. Why the Ace of Swords here? It is clarified as, I told you, fish. This is your success, your abundance. This is related as well to an entrepreneurship. You are just like the fish. The money is coming to you like the fish is swimming. And this is just like also your future, your career. This is success and victory. Your break free, your breakthrough, your lucky breaks for some of you guys. And this person couldn't hold you back. Now they are trapped. They are feeling isolated and feeling victimized with their own deeds, with their own evil schemes. I told you. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why the moon in this reading? Why the moon in this reading? Please tell me more about the moon in this reading. Why the moon here, please? The moon is clarified as fertility, parenthood, pregnancy, family. This person is manifesting you in their lives. This person wants to have a family with you, to be the mother or the father of their children. Could be Pisces or Cancer. Could also be that you have a Pisces or Cancer in your birth chart. Could also be that there is a secrets here come out from this person related to pregnancy, fertility, surrogate. I don't know what this is all about. This is related to pregnancy, children. And this secrets is going to come out. It's going to reveal. It's going to expose, to explode. Somebody here could be creating illusion about their pregnancy. I don't know. Who is this person? Could be Pisces, Cancer involved here, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and a fellow Scorpio. Could be a manipulation group. Could be a collaboration. Somebody here is in jail. The 8 of Swords could also be in jail. Or they are going to go to jail because of this blackmail. Because somebody have blackmailed somebody else that they are pregnant. I don't know what this is all about. This is the clarification of the moon. You look. Family, pregnancy. Somebody here is lying about pregnancy, family. And it is going to expose. Because this is the future, the moon. Or it could also be that they are going to jail when everything is exposed. Maybe they will be landed into jail, in prison. Could be a collaboration of 5 people who are competing on you, or the 8 people, because of jealousy and envy, especially if you are innocent. And everything exposed includes this pregnancy, this family with children. The moon. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father. Why the moon in this reading? Why the moon here, please? Tell me more about the moon in this reading. Oh my gosh. The moon is clarified as, this is the embassy. There could be a significant meaning for you with an embassy here. You could be, or you are living in a foreign country. For some of you guys, I feel like this is a message from your angel. This is the clarification of the moon. Because everything is going to expose her, of this person. related to the pregnancy with family or children. And I feel like for some of you, maybe you are a chosen one, an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, and you are the one who is going to expose this secret with this person. Because this is the clarification of the moon. Related to this pregnancy, family, fertility, could also be surrogacy, surrogate children. I don't know what this is all about. You look, could also be that the universe advised you to pay attention to your dreams. Because maybe you are going to see this person in your dreams. Because this could be your spirit guides, an angel who is going to expose their secrets in your dreams. That you can see this person or group of people of what they have done to you. Others of you, this could be an exposure of all the things they have done on you. In the dark, everything comes into light. Includes this family, children, pregnancy. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 8 of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the 8 of Swords here, please. Why the 8 of Swords in this reading? There is clarified as the dog, the man's best friend. Now this person or group of people are suffering. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling victimized by you. They are feeling trapped because they mess you up. The man's best friend, a loyal person, a person who can be trusted, a person who is always there for this person or group of people who are trying to trap you, who are trying to isolate you because of jealousy and envy. And now they are feeling victimized because they lost you. They lost the man's best friend. You are loyal to this person or group of people, but they are abusing you because of jealousy and envy. Now they lost the man's best friend. This is your energy. You are no longer trusting with them anymore. You lost your trust. You are no longer giving your vulnerability to them. You give them a silent treatment. You cut off the ties and you are no longer communicating with them anymore because you have gone through a lot of pain. The 8 of Swords is not a joke, plus the 5 of Wands. They are creating too much drama, conflict, havoc in your life, pain and destruction. It's because of jealousy and envy. The moon, everything exposed. It could also be that they engage you to abracadabra, black magic, voodoo, witchcraft. It will come out because this is the future. And now they are feeling trapped because, oh, maybe Scorpio knows it, that we engaged to Scorpio with the black magic. Of course, Scorpio knew it. But Scorpio waiting for you to tell them that you are doing this, Crosswatcher. I told you. And you think, Crosswatcher, that Scorpio didn't knew what you have done behind the shady moon, behind the scenes? Scorpio is one of the most intuitive signs in the zodiac. And we can perceive, Crosswatchers. I'm sorry, but I have to tell you, because of your jealousy and envy, competition, and you want them to control the destiny of my fellow Scorpios. There could be a fellow Scorpio involved here as well. I told you. But whatever they have done to you backfires on them. The number 8. What goes around comes around. The 8 of Swords. Take only what fits in your story. Now they are feeling trapped because they think that, oh, maybe Scorpio knew that we engaged Scorpio to a black magic, to a death wish or a witchcraft. Of course, Scorpio knew. But Scorpio is just keep quiet. We don't want an argumentation. You look, we are tired of all your drama and conflict, Crosswatchers. That's why we are keeping the secrets in ourselves, in our mind. But we knew that what you have done to us behind the scene. I told you. And now they are trapped. They are feeling victimized by you. They are feeling isolated. For some of these people, guys, they doesn't want to see you. They want to isolate themselves because their guilt eating them inside. They are now thinking, oh, Scorpio knew what we have done to them. Of course. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 8 of Swords in this reading. Please tell me more. It is clarified as Divisive Frau. I told you, you become wiser because of what they have done to you. You have learned your lesson. You have gone through a lot of pain because of this person or group of people who created too much burdens, pain, chaos, destruction in your life. Nevertheless, they taste their own medicine, and this is the outcome, and you become wiser. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. The energy involved in this reading are an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A fellow Scorpio is involved, Cancer, Pisces, and a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Whatever they have done to you, it backfires on them because for most of you, you are an innocent. They did this to you because of jealousy and envy, because they are competing on you. They couldn't match your energy, they couldn't match your passion, and they did it into a, behind the moon. They did shady things that everything exposed. Sorry, cross-watcher, truth comes into light because truth always prevails. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.